Hey, how's it going? I'm Austin. I'm Master Services Foreman here. So today we're out here in Newport. They working on a crawl space it's had a lot of moisture issues down there, and so take care of it. So today what we've run into is a bunch of moisture problems in the crawl space due to recent flooding in the area. One of the first things we're gonna do is take out all of that rotten, nasty, mushy insulation, all the dirty plastic, and we're pretty much gonna replace it all with brand new insulation. And one of the things that's gonna stop that insulation from drooping down and being so nasty is the dehumidifier that we're also gonna install. So that dehumidifier is gonna stop that insulation from dropping down again. So one of the next things we're gonna do is seal off the entire crawl space. So we seal off all the vents, pipes, all of the ductwork that runs in and out of the crawl space. We want it completely airtight down there. The reason why we're sealing the crawl space is for the dehumidifier. That way the dehumidifier is the only air circulating in the crawl space. We're gonna go ahead and put down our first layer of protection for the crawl space, which is our drainage matting. And so what that does, it pretty much helps the knees, helps water underneath the plastic and the moisture kind of flow away from everything and not pool up. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and start laying down the CleanSpace liner. Now this is the one that we try to keep as clean as possible throughout the whole time. Pretty much we'll overlap it in the middle where the piers run, and then we tape those seams, get it all nice and sealed up. We also run it up the wall about 6 inches, and that just helps keep that vapor underneath it. So the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take pictures of the whole crawl space. We're gonna talk to the homeowners, see if they have any final questions before we head out of here. And then of course we have to clean up, so we'll grab all of our trash, the burritos, left better than how we were here. And with everything loaded up and cleaned up, we are ready to go on to the next one. So I'm Austin, thanks for tuning in.